This time we're going to do tubular herringbone stitch.
Now I've already made my ladder stitch base, and if you're not sure how to do that, I've put a little link there that you can follow to learn to do it.
And again, it needs to be an even number of beads. So I've got 6 beads here. I'm holding my tail and I've got my thread coming out of my end bead. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to make this into a little circle. So I'm just going to bring the 2 little ends together and I'm just going to hold them between my fingers. And what I'm going to do is just simply do a little circle around them, down through one and up through the other, just to bring those 2 ends together. So now you can see I've got a little circle of 6 beads. And then with the herringbone stitch, it's just exactly the same as we've done before. So we're going to pick up 2 beads. And again, I've got my thread coming out here. I'm holding on to my tail. And I'm going to go down through this one. Let them sit together. And then we'll come around and we'll go up through the next one here. So they're sitting here and they're coming out of here. And add 2 beads. Down through the next bead. Turn around. Up through the next one. Turn around. 2 more beads. 1, 2. Down through the next one. And now I'm back where I've started. So, there we go. So now you can see I'm down here and I need to get to the top of here to go up to my next row. So I'm going to step up. So how I do that is I'm coming out of this one here, I'm going to go up through my first bead and also up through that top bead. So you see I've stepped up to the next level. And now it's more again. So add 2. This is such a fun, easy stitch. I love doing tubular herringbone. It's one of the first stitches I ever learned, actually. So that's there. Now here, again, as we go around to the next one, it's just up through there. So down through here and up through there, just like we did before. And see, that connects this little stack with this stack. So then add 2 beads, 1, 2, down through this stack, pull up your tension, and then across and up through the next stack. Add my next 2 beads. Now here again I have to step up, so I've come down through here, I've made my next little stack, and now I need to come across to add this stack to this, but I'm going to go up through this one here and then step up to the next one. And you see they come together. And then I'm ready to start my next round. And if you look at the top here, you'll see it's actually quite easy to do because you've got your 3 complete separate stacks. And as you add on one, you're joining to the next and to the next. So it's quite easy to see where you're at. So you can see there, 1, 2, and 3. And every time I add on another 2 beads, I'm actually joining the previous 2 to the stack next to it. So I just add on 2 beads, go down through 1, come around, and you can see I'm coming out of here and I'm going to go up and across through here, ready to add on my next one. And see, that pulls this stack, oops, that pulls this stack in next to it. So I'll just do a few more rows and then I'll let you see where I'm at. So here you can see my little stack is growing, and I'm able to keep, I've got something to hold on to quite nicely now and keep a good tension on it. So it's a nice and easy one that grows quite quickly. Just go down through there and you can see there's the little stack coming along. Look, I'm just about to step up again. So up through 1, through 2, and you can see that I've got quite a nice little, you can see the 3 separate stacks there. It's quite a nice little robe.